All right, GS is a great reversal play. I'm going to tell you a little bit of stories about these 2 days over here and why I really like this. But let's talk about the setup here. So GS is set up to test 232 to 235, and because of that, there's a lot of money that can be made with these options, right? And the June '02, these weekly options, 225 calls, the sweet spot, could be used if this confirms. I will explain some key facts only inside the video. That's right, people. So what's inside the video, what's inside the boxes is not everything. So we got to pay attention to the whole video. All right, people. So here it is. You know, these 2 days over here, we were doing some weekly trading in this power trigger trade. Shy actually took the win in the first one, and these 2 days were good trend days. Okay, it was possible with the right calls to say someone with a 217 calls, well, 200% gains. So why I say 100% to 200% gains is possible here is because we could do even better than that, but it depends how well we trend here, okay? So let's talk about this. So GS needs to break above over 225.5 as a key pivot point on some good action volume. And good action volume is 400K. Now, if the volume seems less than that, basically we want some momentum. So this stock here is a little bit different. GS a lot of times started to look good later on in the day after 10:30. Sometimes it starts quickly. Sometimes it does it later on. So it acts a little bit differently. But this is a reversal play I had in mind, and I like it even better now. It's set up even better now. So let's look for these confirmations, like I explained. So basically, if we don't get the volume, we'll look for basing above 225.50, look for power towards 226, 226.5. What we need is some sort of trending, and I'm going to be, posting this one, the entry of this one, if I can. There's a lot happening, but anyways, pay attention to those key numbers I talk about, because this is where, we do want to see momentum, and we might be able to get in even within this. I'm giving this anyways as a sweet spot number. Okay, let's take a look at the options. All right, so here we are at Yahoo Finance, and the option, and Goldman Sachs goes at 223.53. Okay, and here we have the June 2nd calls here, and look at this. So there's some good trading. There was some good action happening here. Of course, they close around 83 cents. Now, when these confirm, and if we get the momentum, they could confirm in a $1.10, $1.20 area, $1.30 area. But they could turn to something like 5 points, 6 points, especially if we get the right kind of momentum this week. And until we start trading, we won't know. But it is set up. My point is, it is set up. This is why I'm interested in this, and it could be done with weekly calls because don't forget, you want to take profits on the way, right? So if you're making 50% or 100%, depending on how smooth things go, you want to take some profits at 100% and hold runners, okay, to the best of your ability. But I'm just demonstrating that this is a reversal play, and that's something that I'm going to be getting into. All right, people, if you haven't already subscribed to my YouTube channel, Power Target Trades, I suggest you subscribe. See the center Power Target Trade at the end of the video is going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. I make a lot of great plans, and I made this great long-term plan, and it's very educational. Okay, 200% gains. It's right here. This one here, KO, in about a month. We're talking about 200% gains of your money. It was a slow process, okay, but I documented the cost of the options before they triggered, at the trigger point, and exactly where they are now. And in this plan, I stated the possibility of this 100-200% gains. And lo and behold, as a solid long-term investment, okay, which is only a year. I mean, I don't. Less than a month. I don't think most people double their money or 200% their money in a month in such a safe manner. Look at this stock, look at the trigger point, look at the supports of the trade, and look how well it did. Lo and behold, if you had invested $10,000 or $20,000 in this particular setup, it would have turned to $60,000 in a month without it going against you. or going against you very little. And a lot of investments aren't that smooth and that great, but it's the kind of visionary plans that I can make. So it's just as good as I make these. And by the way, check out the Netflix plan. This is really good, people. But this video here, I'm going to post it in the end of the video in a link here, so it's easy to click. But I would check out this KO. It's May 25th. You'll see over here. This is how to trade. Check it out because it's a documentation of the plan that was posted on April the 29th and triggered on May the 3rd. Check it out. It's very educational, people. So there you have, people, a great video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. It'll be able to do it easily through the video. Also check out the KO trade. Great education. Is why you want to take weekly plans from me. Well, I can do weekly trades. We can, of course, weekly plans, which are very powerful. I mean, obviously you don't go as large in the weekly trades, but then I'm also going to be doing some slow-paced, longer-term plans like the KO trade, where you can make good percentage of money and just as an investment. Okay, and then we got the quick trades, and then there's in between. So there's a lot of great things coming your way here on Power Target Trades. Don't forget the confirmations key study the videos. As you study my videos, as you study my plans, as you see my style, it's all recorded. I record everything in a never done before manner, where plans are powerful. Okay, powerful, where we talk about reasoning, and they make more money than they lose. This is the facts. KO is a spectacular trade. Anyways, people, thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.